What's up, gamers? Today playing American Plains mudding game in Roblox today. If you guys haven't done so yet, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell on the bottom so you notify some more. And also, we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So the way to get to 1,000 subscribers is you guys hit the like button and hit the smash the subscribe button. And I have seen that most of you guys who have watched this video, like watch this videos all the time, are not subscribed. So the plan is to hit 1,000 subscribers by like September 1st. So whatever you guys are doing right now, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button so we can get to 1,000 subscribers or 900 subscribers. One of those two. Like I said, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers or 900 subscribers by September 1st. So if you guys haven't done this yet, do that. Because most of you guys who are watching this video are not subscribed, so let's get straight to the video now. So, how the hell can talk about this? Alright, so that's the house I always use in every game. I don't know why everyone's taking my house in this game, you know. I don't know, for real. The heck? What? I have no idea why that just happened, but it did. Oh boy. Whoa. Alright. And plus this is like the tornado update, so I have no idea if there's gonna be a tornado gonna like pop out randomly, because why would they have like the tornado storm chaser vehicle in the game and not have have a tornado in the game? It makes no sense. So hopefully in this video you guys see the tornado in the game. Hopefully, I don't know if it's going to happen, but hopefully it does happen. Looks pretty cool inside, actually. Wow. It's pretty decent inside. Holy cow. Sorry about that. Alright, so now we are Oh, we're not gonna use that light right here. I'm gonna get some better lighting pretty soon. Okay. What the heck was that? Oh. It was that. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we're good. Dude. It's really weird. Like, there's supposed to be like a tornado in this game, and there's no tornado. There's like literally no tornado in this game, like whatsoever. Like, I thought there was going to be a tornado in this game because there says there's a tornado in the game, and there's nothing. There's literally nothing. So I have no idea. I literally don't. So I don't know. Yeah, this truck does not do really well in like terrain, I guess. Let's get a different vehicle that's really good with terrain. Sure. No, get this one. I know like a lot of the other ones are really good with terrain, but I want to use this truck. You guys also have seen me probably seen me do like Flight Simulator videos and stuff. Yeah. Is that a good thing to like? Well, trying to find some like more ways I can do like make YouTube videos. So it's not only like Roblox videos. I'm also gonna make YouTube videos on like Microsoft Flight Simulator. The weirdest thing is anytime I make YouTube videos about Microsoft, no one's subscribing about it. So next time I make a video about like Microsoft, we're gonna make sure that we get more subscribers from making that video, and also get more subscribers from making these kind of videos as well. So not just Roblox videos, we need to get subscribers on. We also gotta get subscribers also from Microsoft simulators that videos I make. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And like I said, we could try to get to 1,000 subscribers or 900 subscribers by September 1st. And like I also said, most of you guys are subscribed, most of you guys are not subscribed, so subscribe so we can get the 900 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers by September 1st. So, alright, see you guys in the next video.